How's it going, everybody? This is Corey, and today we're going to be talking about technology and education. Throughout this course, we've been talking about certain tools that we can use for students. Tools such as simulators, file sharing programs, social media, things like Facebook or LinkedIn, videos, things like YouTube, Vimeo. We also talked about certain project programs that allow students to create their projects within these programs like PowerPoint, or they have other options like timeline tools on the internet that allows you to create a 3D timeline to help students engage and have a good time when it comes to expressing information or teaching their point or what they researched. Students can use technology to help them gain access to a lot of information. Also, they can use technology to eliminate carrying heavy books, heavy notepad paper, and limit it to ebooks and Microsoft Word or any other word processing tools that we have out there. Students can use all this to help them learn and relay information to the other students. Using such tools like tablets or laptops and stuff like that is another good way for students to keep track of all their notes, keep track of all the books that they have, and keep track of pretty much almost any project that they have in mind. One big concern that I do see is, yes, you have all this information and these projects that you gathered on your computer, but let's say what happens if your computer tends to crash. Let's say what happens if your hard drive crashes and you're unable to get that information. But there's a solution that I found out that I think that may be useful for students in terms of saving their documents. And today we're going to be talking about Google Docs. Google Docs, in my opinion, is an awesome tool for students to use in terms of backing up their information. Things like their Word documents, their presentations, pretty much anything that they want to back up. Google Docs also offers other tools and services such as Word document, Excel, and PowerPoint, basically free for all Google users who have an account with Google. You can use these pretty much you're needing to write out your notes, needing to do a presentation or anything, and Google Docs offers those services. Also, share your information when you upload to other users in your friends list. Of course, when you upload them, they're going to be private, but you have the ability and option to share the information you have to other peers you have in your friends list. I think that this is an awesome tool for students to collect as a community in terms of your classroom, your community, your teacher, or whatever you want to use it for. And upload homework, upload notes, get assignments from your teachers or other students, and basically collab in projects to where other users can see the projects that are going on within the Word doc. When creating a Google Doc account, you have to create a Gmail account. And throughout this video, I'll show you how to create a Gmail account and also access Google Documents and upload your information and any sources that you want to upload to Google Docs. And it's basically as easy as said. Alright, so we're going to be here on our Google accounts. We're going to click Gmail, and from here we're going to create an account. From here we're going to be implementing a first name and last name. So I'm just going to write test and assignment as my first and last name. And for a username, I'm just going to print my first and last name, test assignment, and then just a bunch of numbers. From there, we're going to create our password. And then after that, click next. Now, sometimes the password is going to be a little touchy, so you have to make sure that you implement the password again the second time exactly. Now, Google really protects your account, so in order for you to really create the account, you have to use special keys such as like underscores or anything like that to really help you secure your Google account. Now, after when you type in your username and password, click next. Now, you have the option to put a telephone number in here just in case you lose your account, or a recovery email address, but these are optional. Add your birthday in, which this is not my real birthday, I'm just adding it in just because. Now, you have the option to choose a gender. You can choose either female, you can rather not say. In my turns, I'll be male, so I'm going to click male. And after that, you click next. Now from here, you read the privacies and terms. Just scroll all the way down once you're done and hit I agree. Now this is going to take a minute for you to process through all your information, and your Google account will be created here momentarily. Now you're loading into your Google account. Now the cool thing about Google account is they have options to where you can organize your emails. After when we click out of this, you have your primary account. I don't know. You have your primary section all throughout your whole thing, meaning that this is where all your main information goes, your social media stuff and promotions that Google offers. So through primary account, you can see all of the emails being sent through you. Now you have the other options you can choose, like Google Maps, YouTube, Google Play, Gmail, and anything else that you need to use in Google services. Also on the side, you have everything organized between your inbox and your spam and such, and you have your contact lists. Now from here, we're going to go to the address bar and type in Google Drive, because that's where the Google Drive that you're going to be using to upload your backup information. So we're going to click Google Drive from the search files. Now it's going to start accessing into your Google account that you have open. So click Google Drive or go to Google Drive, and it will start loading all of its features and get everything ready for your account. So it's going to take a minute. Now, as everything's loaded up, you see a bunch of other features that will get you started. On the side, you have My Drive, Computers, and Share with Others. Allows you to share any of your information to anybody else that you have on your friends list. You have Storage, Trash, and your backups, of course, that's what we were talking about. Now, this program also has other features. By clicking on My Drive, you can choose a new folder. You can basically upload a file, upload a folder, and there's all the other Google stuff that you can use, like Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. It basically is like Word document, Excel, and PowerPoint. And these are all free to Google users who have a Google account. So you click on My Drive and upload a file. This is basically going to store your files. So these are all the pictures that I have for week 1 assignment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this one and hit open. Allow it to upload. It's going to take a minute, and there you go. Your project and files or anything you want uploaded is uploaded. Thank you guys for watching. I had a lot of fun making this, and I hope it was informative to you. If you guys have any more questions or concerns about using Google Drive, please give me a comment down below, and I will answer them as much as I can. Thank you guys again, and have a good day. Take care.